Hello, in front of me I've got OnePlus Pad. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Wallet. In the beginning, let's go to Wallet. Tap Explore Wallet button. And as you can see from the homepage of this app, you can add payment cards, check quick tips, and add passes to your account like loyalty, gift card and transit pass. If you go to menu, you've got access to your Google account, all wallet tips, tap to pay setup, which is unavailable because this tab doesn't have NFC. You can check full list of participating banks. Check your passwords in Password Manager. And in your data in Wallet, you can manage payments data and passes data. In Wallet settings, you can manage payments profile, add passes from Gmail, enable or disable review purchases, updates about your passes, and updates from Wallet and Google Pay. In the end, you can go to help and feedback, and that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.